Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Alright, hey, this is Hans. It's time for another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from our friends in China. So it's from a Lunar New Year promotion from 99 Ranch Market. Check that guy out. This is green Sichuan Energy Green Sichuan Pepper Vermicelli. A big flower pot. That's what I'm calling this form factor. This is a flower pot. Okay? And this has a lot of stuff going. Here's the fork. So, let's go piece by piece. Somebody was asking me, or somebody was talking somewhere and I chimed in. They're like, is there any variety of instant noodles that has more sachets than, say, oh, I don't know, Indonesian mee goreng? It's like, absolutely. They're like, I want. It's like, why do you want just based on the amount of sachets are in there? I think that's kind of ridiculous. But I said, okay, well, there are a lot of Chinese varieties that have a zillion sachets, and this here is one of them. So what we got in here? Let's see. We've got these little neat thingies. So let's add some, let's add all these neat little thingies. I don't know what they are, but they're pretty good. I want to say this is mushroom. I'm gonna stick with that. Could totally be wrong. Here is a sachet of powder. I'm gonna guess this is most likely just straight MSG. I could be wrong about this, but no, there's, oh wow. That has a, yeah. So it's green Sichuan pepper, and unfortunately for me, I don't like green Sichuan pepper. I'll say that at the outset. If you love green Sichuan pepper, I have a feeling this is going to be totally up your alley. I don't know what these are. Might be gluten. That's going to be my bet. And there's this liquid. I'm guessing it's just going to be canola oil, some kind of oil. Well, I think this might be infused with green Sichuan pepper as well. Green Sichuan pepper reminds me of like stuff they use to make restrooms smell nice and fresh. I'm not saying that there's anything wrong with the quality of this. It's just that's what the smell and flavor, well, I don't know about the flavor, but the scent reminds me of that. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There we go. Let's get all this in here. Now this should really smell like Szechuan pepper. Yeah, kind of. I mean, it's not as vicious as the other stuff smelled. But here, let's add liquid. Dag nabbit. We'll put a lid on it, and we're gonna let it sit for 5. So there we go, 5 minutes on the clock. I made a little mess. So, being the kind of guy I am, I'm gonna clean up my mess. If you're that kind of person, I salute you for cleaning up your own mess. I don't always do a great job, but hey, I try. And it's like really weird outside today. It can't decide whether to be sunny or cloudy. When I got up this morning, I hung out for, I don't know, about a half an hour in here, and then I got off my butt and went out walking in the wind, in the rain, and it was good. Had a good walk this morning. Got in like 13,000 steps. It's tough because it's like I gotta be back before my wife has to start getting ready for work. So I left at like 4:30, got back like around 6:30, 6:40. Much earlier than that, I kind of don't like to get out. I mean, there was still there was a guy sleeping under the overpass. You know, passed by him a couple times. He was like wrestling around in his blanket or whatever. So that's kind of freaky. And yeah, so I don't like to walk so early. It's like, yeesh, that there's like crazy people. I mean, there can be crazy people at any time. I mean, but what I want to talk to you about today are the murder hornets. I read this article. Here, maybe I can find it. Let's see. It said, and I quote, is it still up? Yeah. Murder hornets make their way to Washington State. But it says, yada, yada, yada. Here you go. You want to hear absolute evil? This is evil. This is like beyond evil. This is as evil gets. Alright. Asian giant hornets, murder hornets, attack and destroy honeybee hives, experts said. A few hornets can destroy a hive in a matter of hours. The hornets enter a slaughter phase in which they kill bees by decapitating them. And it goes on to say, they then defend the hive as their own, taking the brood to feed their own young. So, you got a bunch of honeybees going, hi, honeybees, yeah. You know, like Jerry Seinfeld in the Bee Movie. They're just making honey. And what happens? The murder hornets swoop in. They sound like the Breen from Deep Space Nine. Destroy the hive. Start just boop, 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 popping the heads off these nice little honeybees. Invite their families in and go, yeah, these remaining bees, eat them. Not only that, they can sting through beekeeper suits. Their sting can kill an adult person, man, woman, adult. They're 2 inches long, and they're here in my home state of Washington. Yeah. Murder hornets. I guess beekeepers are really not stoked on it. I'm not stoked on it. But the likelihood I'll ever see one is pretty slim, I think. I guess they're up towards the Canadian border in Bellingham and Blaine. And I haven't heard about anybody like staying indoors because they're afraid of murder hornets. But maybe that'll be the next thing. Quarantine, shelter in place, murder hornets, and COVID-19. Maybe the murder hornets will get COVID and then start giving it to people. It's a possibility. I hope not. I hope everything gets better soon, but you know, I'm not counting on anything good ever happening ever again, ladies and gentlemen. I think we're all just kind of in Screwsville now. But I will, as long as I am able to. I'm going to continue to give you the finest in instant noodle recipe time programming. And I'm not going to charge you anything for it. But if you want to help me out, go to the Patreon. I think the Patreon is going to go bye-bye. And as soon as this stuff starts to mellow out, and distributors are doing a little better, I guess, we'll have, instead of that ad at the beginning, I'll put an ad at the beginning for shop.theramenraider.com, where you can get all the noodles you want. It's $40. We'll get you $10 shipping. Yeah, I know. There was kind of a miscommunication between me and the people. But yeah, if you spend $40, shipping is $10. I know. But it's still a hell of a lot cheaper than Amazon, that's for sure. Nothing against Amazon. But if you want to get like a whole bunch of single packs of noodles, like all sorts of neat stuff, it's a pretty good deal. Or at least if you're going online. Of course, the best deal you're always going to find is going to an Asian grocery. But here's the vermicelli. Wow. Woof. Okay. Let's get a better look at this stuff. Okay. There's that mean old broth. Wow. No. It's just not my thing. And it's, you know, it's not its fault. Oh. It's just so... It's hard to explain. I mean, it's really very... It reminds me of the smell of cleaning products. And that's just not... I'm not really into that. I'll give it another taste. Here's another shot of it in here. But I mean, one thing's for sure, this one has a lot of stuff going on. Vermicelli and pepper slices, and I'm really not sure what those little coils were. Give another slurp of this broth. It's starting to grow on me. Yeah, it is starting to grow on me. There's a lot of stuff. And I do like the vermicelli itself. But it's, yeah, wow. Very strong. Okay. That's about as far as I'm going to go with that. Whoa. Too much for this kid. Oh, spicy. I don't really think I need to add anything to it. I think it's pretty good the way it is. Yeah, I think we got it. I think we're gonna leave it as is. So let's allow let's get this in the right spot. Crank up the badass tune! Yes. Yes. So if you like really spicy, numbing, buzzing, antiseptic, this is for you. Mouth feels like it's like Pucker City, man. Alright. Very cool. Well, hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment in your noodles every day. Have a good